Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, pleased to meet you. I go by the name of 6 John. Of course you know Mike Shinoda.
Yeah. West Coast.
Let's go.
One time for my machine shop crew, and then it's 2 times SOB and LP 2, and then it's 3 times. It's Mike and 6 on the track, and then 4 times.
When we come in through the back, they're saying,
Oh no, close the door, shut the lights and start the show. Better let everybody know, get on the mic and there they go. Oh no, close the door, shut the lights and start the show. Better let everybody know, get on the mic and there they go.
I'm that dangerous bitch. Y'all can't really hang with us in this. Everybody's so afraid of us, shit makes me wanna hang it up and quit. Forget about all the things you heard before. About time that we're kicking down your door. Everybody's gonna hit the fucking flow. Please, Mike, don't hurt me anymore. I don't gotta have a secret lie or an alibi. Everybody knows why I'm here. I just as soon crack a bottle as crack you over the head with the bottle of beer. So just listen up there, powder puff. Better believe that I'm not playing. You can love it, you can hate, but don't mistake it. Everybody's saying,
Oh no, close the door, shut the lights and start the show. Better let everybody know, get on the mic and there they go. Oh no, close the door, shut the lights and start the show. Better let everybody know, get on the mic and there they go.
what you really wanna do is this. Just make believe that I don't exist, but you won't, cause every time you go to spit, I talk over you just like this. It's annoying just for you. You can scream all day till your face is blue. I'm getting in your head and you know it too. And that's just me, you don't know my crew. My man 6 John, understand though, the way that he flows, you can call him Rambo. Never miss a shot, never run out of ammo. Coming with heat like a goddamn commando. And add in SOB, Ryu Talk, Discali, cheap shot, and now you see. Fuck with me? Nah, 6.
Oh no,
Whatever you yell when you see that dope close, I'ma build through the pack. Straight to the bar so I can act. I figured you guys would get a little surprise. Your eyes wide when it's me and Mike Shinoda. I'm just plain old 6 John for the non-district. This is not supposed. I still talk with awkward speech. I'm like a dog that's off his leash. Step out with a Fort Minor patch on a black tee. Niggas get to walk these streets. I ain't tripping, homie, talk is cheap. Acapella where we can walk on a beat. And if that ain't enough action, I got 17 pages in this little magazine I keep.
oh no, close the door, shut the lights and start the show. Better let everybody know, get on the mic and there they go.